Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome back. Change the language in the platform. In order to change the language on the platform, you need to log in with a valid account and scroll to the bottom of the page, where you click on the English button and select the language you want on the platform. I will select Romanian. The page will automatically refresh, and then all the text on the platform will appear in Romanian. The Student Dashboard. In the student account, the main menu consists of the following sections: Dashboard, Library, Discover, Testing, Management, and Communities. In the dashboard, you can find the following sections: My Courses section, meaning the courses that we have started or that we have added to the wish list. The Experience per Day section that refers to the learning habit, meaning the time spent by the students on the platform per day. The Playlist section that refers to the playlist that has been created and where we can add lectures. The new resources that have been added to the organization. My Learning Path section that includes the learning paths that have been given to me by the creator. The Latest Earned Badges section, which includes the badges that I have received after finishing the courses. The Popular Resources section, which are the resources that have been accessed the most. The Recommended Courses section, which includes the courses that have been recommended to me by other participants or by the creator or trainer. My Activity section, which includes the courses that I have started, the resources that I have used, and the Organization Activity section, which refers to the courses, resources, and assessments that have been added into the organization. These are the segments of the dashboard for the student account. The Profile. In order to access the profile, click on your profile picture, and as you can see, a new tab is open that contains the following tabs: Achievements, which refers to the diploma that you can download after finishing the course. Badges, Notifications, which represent the settings that you can apply to the notifications. And the Security tab, which means changing the password. In order to change the profile picture, click on the profile picture, select a new one, and it will be saved automatically. Below the picture, you have your interests and your bio. In order to add a bio, click on the Edit button and add a new bio, and then click on the Save button. This is how you update your profile. Manage the chat. In this demo, we will discuss about how you can create a chat with a member, how you can create a group, and how you can add members to the group. In order to access the chat section, click on the chat icon next to your profile picture, and here you have the following tabs: the chats, which represent all the discussions that we've had until now, and the members, which refers to all the members of the organization with whom we can create a conversation. In order to create a new chat, click on the member that you want to talk to, and the conversation is created. In order to send a message to this person, type a text and click on the Send button. In order to create a new group, click on the Create Group button. Add the members whom you want in the group. Assign a name to the group, and then click on the Save button. Now the group has been created. In order to add members to the group, click on the Add Member button and select the members that you have left after creating the group by clicking on their username. Lastly, in order to delete a member from the group, click on the username of the member and then click on the X button. Communities. In order to access the communities, click on the Community section from the main menu. As you can see, there is only one community here. In order to access other communities, you must be added as a member in those communities. In order to access this community, click on its name, and there is a new tab where you can find the following sections: Announcements, Discussions, Members, Advisors, Media, and About the Community section. In order to create a new announcement, click on the Create button, assign a name to the announcement, add a short description, click on the Save button, and the announcement has been published. In the Discussion tab, in order to create a new discussion, click on the Create button, and as in the case of the announcement, assign a name and short description to the discussion, and click on the Save button. The discussion has been created, and we will create a new topic into the discussion. In order to create a new topic, click on the More button and then click on the Create button. Assign a name to the topic, click on the Save button, and the topic has been created. Into this topic, you can create new messages, and in order to do this, you click on the New Message button and type the text you want. In this message, you can upload media files and then click on the Submit button. If you click on the Members tab, you will be able to see the members of this community. If you click on the Advisors tab, you will be able to see the list of advisors. If you click on the Media tab, you will see the media uploaded into this community. In order to create a media, you click on the Create button, assign a name to it, and click on the Save button. Then, you upload the files you want here. As you can see, our files have been uploaded. In the About the Community tab, you can find the details about this community. In order to add a course to the wish list, from the student account, you must access the course. So, we will select the Library, Courses section. We will access a course that has not been started or finished yet, and by clicking on the Add to Wish List button, you can add it to the wish list. In order to verify this, we will go to the Courses section again, and we will select the Wish List section. As you can see, the course has been added to the wish list. Sort courses. The courses can be sorted according to their progress, meaning in progress courses, completed courses, and courses that are in the wish list. You can also sort them according to their category: management, marketing, happiness, customer service, productivity. These categories are created according to the profile of the organization, or in other words, each organization creates its own categories. As you can see, there are 2 courses in the management category. You can also sort them according to their availability, either online or offline. You can see what new courses have been added in the organization, meaning courses that have not been completed by the students, and you can do that by clicking on the Discover button from here or from the Discover button on the main menu. As you can see, there is a new course on the organization that has not been started by the students. In the Discover section, you can see the resources that have been added in the organization recently, and they can also be sorted according to their category or according to their type: article, audio, video, or book. Through a course with all types of lectures, quizzes, and challenges. Select the Library, Courses section from the main menu. Select the course that you want to start. Click on the Start Course button and you will be redirected to the first lecture, which is a PDF lecture. Click on the next lecture, which is a video one. The next one is a text lecture, and the last one is an audio lecture. Then click on the Next button and you will move to a quiz. Click on the Start button in order to start it. Respond to the questions and you will get a message which announces you if you passed or not. After that, click on the Next button and you will move to a challenge where you should write a Hello World code. After going through all the lectures, click on the Finish button and then the OK button. Respond to challenges. We need to log in with a student account. We select the Library, Courses section. We will access a course that contains a challenge, and we will be able to respond to the challenge. The challenge of this course is to take a photo in front of the Dmitry Gustin National Village Museum. You can respond with a text file, upload the image related to this challenge, and then click on the Submit button in order to respond to this challenge. After sending the answer, the creator will see and analyze the response, and then he will decide if the challenge has been accomplished or if he should give the student the possibility to respond to the challenge one more time. Courses Review. In order to give a review to a course, you need to log in with the student account and the course must be completed. Click on the Library, Courses section, select the Completed tab, and you will see that we have a completed course. We can give a review to the course and rate it by accessing a certain number of stars. Click on the Submit button in order to send the review. Download a diploma. In order to download the diploma from the student account, click on the Profile button, and in the Achievements section, you have the Finished Courses. Select them by category and download the diploma by clicking on the Diploma button. As you can see, the diploma has been downloaded as a PDF file. Gamification and how the student can earn badges according to a score that is given for a certain skill inside a course. For example, we have the Java course, where you can notice that a skill entitled Algorithms has been assigned, and this skill has 30 points. When you finish the course, you obtain this badge. Start the course, which is a PDF lecture. Click on the Next button in order to move to the next lecture, which is a video lecture, and then move to a text lecture. You can click on the Next button in order to move to a challenge-type lecture, where you can respond to this challenge, and when you finish the course, get the points for this course. In today's demo, we're going to continue learning about gamification. In order to test the gamification part, I can see that previously, finishing the Java course, I earned the points defined for the skill named Algorithms, which I can see in the latest Earned Badges section. Also, I can test this fact from my profile, where I can notice that I have finished the Java course and that I have the Algorithms skill. For now, my score is 89, and in order to move to the next level, I need 120 points. In order to give feedback for a course, you have to finish a course in progress or start a course and finish it. After going through all the lectures, you have the possibility to give feedback for the course. This feedback contains 2 Scala-type questions from 1 to 6 and also a text question. By clicking on the Save button, you will send the feedback to the creator. Notifications. In order to do that, click on the Notifications icon next to your profile picture. You can receive notifications for the following situations: when you have been added to a course, when you receive a chat message, when you complete a challenge, when the creator responds to your challenge, and when other students send you a message on a course. Creating a playlist and adding elements. In order to do that, select the Playlist section from the main menu and create a new playlist into the New tab. You will assign a name and a short description to the playlist, and then you click on the Save button. In order to add elements to the playlist, access the Courses section, select a random course, and as you can see, you can click on the Add to Playlist button and select the playlist that you want. In order to see that this works, access the Playlist section again, and as you can see, the lecture has been added to the playlist. Manage resources. In order to access a resource from the Knolyx platform, select the Library Resources section from the main menu, and all the resources that have been given to you will appear in this tab. As you can see, the resources can be articles, videos, or audio resources. We will access a PDF resource, which is an article, and the resource will open here. We can see it into the full screen mode, we can download or print the resource, and we can give a review to the resource on a scale from 1 to 5. You have some details about the author in the right part, and you can notice that we have received a rate for this resource, the one we have previously given. Also, you can see the level for this resource, beginner, the category to which it belongs, productivity, the number of views for the resource, and the time that you need in order to read it. Take a test in the Testing section. In order to access this section, click on the Testing button from the main menu. Select the testing that you want to go through, and now a tab has opened where you have some details about this testing: the description, who has created it, the minimum number of correct answers in order to pass this. Click on the Start button, and as you can see, there is also a time limit to finish this course. In order to respond to this question, click on the answer that you consider to be correct. Click on the Next button. Select the answers for the second question, which is a multiple answer one. So you can select as many answers as you want, and then click on the Finish button. As you can see, the result has been 2 for 2, so you successfully passed the quiz. In order to see the results, click on the View Results button, And in order to respond to this quiz again, click on the Retake button. That was it for today. Don't forget to check out Knolyx.com for more answers to your questions. Until next time, stay thirsty for learning.